Adjust, adjust, adjust. Nice. You got it. You got it.
Oh my God. I used to think that too, but just straighten it.
What if it blows up?
Keep going.
It's going so hard. Dude, I'm scared.
Keep going.
I'm gonna get shrapnel in my knee.
Sure, I guess. Okay.
6'2".
Rock on, man. Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna get ready.
Get melted.
Hurry up. What do you mean? Just grab this one.
There goes the vortex. Mr. Watson, go first. Come back down.
Countdown, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Why did you turn me on the phone? I did not.
I'm doing a little bit more. Okay.
Oh! Where's it landing?
In building our rocket, we go through making and shaping the fins, building the body of the rocket, making sure the engine's correct, making and folding the parachute, and putting it all together.
Well, first we need to sketch out the rocket and see what parts there are, like make sure it's fitting, it will fit, like the engine, the fins, stuff like that.
From scratch, we use cardboard like to make the bodies and cones and everything. And we put the parachutes and put the egg inside the cone and then launch.
You gotta take it. You gotta put it right there, and then you gotta loop it like you said in the entire knot, but you don't like tight.
Alright, just watch. Tell me if I do something wrong.
this, so all the strings are separated into two. And then fold it again. And then one last.
You found a way for like the firework to stay in the rocket, like some videos. And what we're doing now, we're building the fins, we're building the other parts of the rocket, and also like testing ways on how like to keep the egg safe in the rocket.
Again. That strings are split in two. Fold it in half again.
Then you put that like that.
Fold in half.
They
Then you fold that back. Then you fold it in half again.
Yes, sir, I will take that. I'll take that.
If you don't put in the parachute right, then that means that once you launch your rocket, it could come down wrong and your whole rocket will like just break, fall apart if it lands wrong.
You got this! Come back.
We created the rocket to test how much force is needed to get it off the ground, and basically to challenge ourselves to see what we can do. The idea was to use a certain strength engine and to get it at or below a set weight.
Well, some of the challenges that we have are usually like if we don't know what to do or like how to do it properly.
What I know about rockets is that most people can launch themselves into rockets and go very fast, since you have to use a lot of engines and fuel to launch yourselves up. And if you're using model rockets, you don't have to use that much to get it high. You just need like maybe one engine. It depends on what the size of the rocket is and how much weight it has. Most people have fully finished their rockets, and now we just need a perfect day with no wind or anything so that we can launch our rockets and see if anything bad has happened to them. And if anything was to bad happen, then we would pick up our rockets and try and see what bad happened and try and remodel them to see if anything better could happen on that same flight.
I think aerospace is important. Probably because if you want to be a pilot or if you want to go into pilot training, then you need to take this class or have to.
For people that want to work with airplanes or rockets or drones, I feel like it will be a good experience for you because you have the hands-on like equipment, and you can build things and learn more about it.
It's kind of just fun to view about the space and sky and stuff. I'm very interested in space. That's it. And the sky and traveling the sky is also pretty cool.
If you like building stuff and if you're creative, well, I think aerospace would be a good place for you.
So that first one is not even gonna be tied. See, look.
So, my name is Nevaeh, and
Today's weather is cloudy with rain.
cloudy with
With a chance of rain.
Ready? My name is Nevaeh, and today's weather is cloudy.